To set up Facebook Pixel, the first thing we have to do is to navigate to the sales channel section and select Facebook. So in the Facebook shop page, proceed and select Facebook Pixel option. So here you can see the settings for the Facebook Pixel. So clicking here, you can see it says Facebook Pixel collects data that helps you track conversions from Facebook ad, optimize ad, build targeted audiences for future ads, and remarket to people who have already taken some action on your website. So Facebook Pixel is mainly for tracking activities on your site, and using that information you can optimize your adverts on Facebook and build targeted audiences. So let's go back into the Pixel configuration section. So here, in order to set up the Facebook Pixel to enable us to track actions on our store, so we go ahead and enable the status, and then we go ahead and get the Facebook Pixel ID. So in order for us to get the Facebook Pixel ID, we have to open our Facebook page. So and then navigate to the Event Manager section. So here in the Event Manager section, we have to create the Facebook Pixel. So to do that, we go ahead and select the Connect Data Sources option. Now here under the Connect a New Data Source, we proceed to select Web. So the Web option is what we tick, as we need to track the activities on our website. So select this option and then click on the Connect button. So we are going to give a name to the new pixel. So we'll call it Store Pixel. And then we proceed to create the new pixel. So in this section, we are going to add the website URL. So go back to the store. This is the website URL. Shop mode 2. So we go ahead and add it. So this is the website URL. So after adding it, so we check. So it's fine. So under here, we'll now select if we need both the conversion API and the pixel option. So we go ahead and leave it as it is and proceed. So we proceed. So here we can cancel this, and since we've already created the pixel, so once we come back here, you can see that the new pixel has been added. So let's go ahead and set it up. So we go to Settings section. So we get the pixel ID, copy it, and then we paste it here. So after we've done this, we proceed and save. So now that it has been saved, we go ahead and check the various options we have. So we can enable this if we want to enable advanced matching option. So we can also enable this option. So we go ahead and enable this to track events without the code. So we leave all these other options as they're optional. So we go back to the overview section. So here we can now proceed to visit the store. So let's go back to the settings page. So you can see that we have various other options. We can enable advanced tag matching. So clicking on the advanced matching data section, so it says that the Facebook Pixel has an advanced matching feature. So this enables you to send your customer data through the Pixel to match web actions with Facebook users. So these are the data we can send to Facebook. We can send the customer email, first name, last name, phone number, city, state, and zip. So let's go ahead and enable all these options. And then we go back to the Pixel section. So here you can see that we have various options. We can also enable the Pixel product ID. So this is how the product will be saved if we are going to use this option. So under the Pixel events, so these are the various events that will be sent to Facebook through the Pixel. So we have the view content events, search product events, add to cart events, add to wish list events, initiate checkout. So this event is triggered when a customer initiates a checkout process. Add payment info. This event is triggered during the checkout process. Purchase. This event is triggered after the customer has made a successful order. So complete registration. So this is when the customer creates an account in the store. Page view. So this event is triggered when a customer views a page in the store. So we can enable and disable any of these events using this option. So let's click on this. So you see that it says the event has been disabled. So let's go ahead and enable it. So we can also add custom pixel events. So this section is mainly for advanced users. So for custom pixel events, we need to know the kind of events we want to capture. So currently, when you scroll down, you see we can add new custom pixel events by clicking the add button. So here we select the event we want to capture. So we add a path and then we add a match. So this path can be maybe a URL to a page or a category page or a product page. So whatever we want to capture, or it can even be a keyword. So under the match section, we have various options. We can choose either the route, strict, ends with, or contains. So this will enable us to narrow down the kind of events we want to capture. So we also have the value section. So here we can add a value that will be sent to the pixel once this event is triggered, once this custom event is triggered. So let's leave this. So you can learn more about this by reading this. So, but we'll not go into this. So now that we have enabled all the pixel events, so the default pixel events are active. So let's go ahead and maybe open some pages and maybe open some products. So we can open this page and see how it works. So we perform some activities on the store. So we place an order. So currently we have not set up the shipping method. So let's go and set it up. So I'll pause this to set up the shipping method. All right, so now we've set up the shipping method, we proceed to complete the order. So we add it, add the payment method, and then confirm order. So the order has been placed. So let's view some other pages. Let's view the About Us page. So note that as we browse the storefront pages and add products and place order, the Facebook pixel is actually tracking these activities. So after a while, we can now go back and check to see if the Facebook pixel is actually working. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so coming back here, we can see that some activities were generated. So this normally comes after some time of, the Facebook pixel will show up the activities that have been done on your store. So in this example, I've shown you how to set up the Facebook pixel and how to get the Facebook pixel ID, and also activating the advanced matching data for the Facebook pixel. Thank you for watching.